Let's make Pumpkin Rice Krispie Treats. Add a quarter cup of butter to a large bowl and melt it in the microwave, or you could use a pot on the stovetop. Then add 40 large marshmallows and give it a stir. Melt in the microwave using burst of 30 seconds, or again you can use a pot on the stovetop with a burner. Add a few drops of red food coloring and a few drops of yellow food coloring and stir to get an orange color. Add more food coloring as necessary. Then add 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Mix until all combined. Use a bit of oil on your hands and grab some Rice Krispies and form it into a pumpkin shape. Place it on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Then add a Rolo on top as well as a green M&M. Let cool and firm up at room temperature or in the fridge. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.